What's up guys? In this video, I'm gonna go through an overview of 3 silver stocks I believe are still inexpensive in my opinion, despite recent run-ups we've seen over the last several months following March's crash in the overall market. Now, I'm not gonna go into extreme detail on these stocks, but I wanna give you an overview of them, and then I could go into the more analytical stuff in a later video if you want. But for now, let's go ahead and talk about the companies right before we mention our sponsor for this video, which is Webull, the stock trading app. So if you're interested in receiving 2 free stocks, click the button below this video and deposit $100 and Webull will send you 2 free stocks valued at over $1,600. I love this app. It's super easy to use and they have a ton of resources and tools for you to use for the more analytical stuff. So I'll leave a link in the description box below. So the first silver stock I'm going to talk about is iShares Silver Trust. So this is a silver trust that holds the physical metal for their investors. SLV has been performing well. It's up over 38% on the year, despite a slight pullback a few weeks back. But I've been fundamentally bullish on silver for the better part of the past decade as a hedge against the enormous amount of dollars being printed to the tune of trillions of dollars just a few months back. The correction over the past couple weeks is healthy in my opinion, as markets tend to go 2 steps forward and 1 step back, at least healthy markets do. I believe SLV is a great buying opportunity right now, especially on red days. So you want to try to buy those dips. I'm also confident that we will see another $1 trillion stimulus package before the election. And with the Feds printing more dollars, the more and more the dollar will become devalued and other assets like gold and silver act as a store of value and a safe place to store your wealth. The next company, First Majestic Silver Corp. So I'm super bullish on silver mining stocks, and with First Majestic Silver, they're based out of Canada. So they're a silver mining company based out of Canada with operations down in Mexico. Currently, they have 7 producing mines. So they basically buy up land and mine for silver. And they produce and sell their own silver coins and bullion, which I think is a fascinating concept, while other mining companies usually produce and market bullion through private mints. So First Majestic has a ton of opportunity. The founder and CEO, Keith Neumeier, appears to be a great leader and extremely knowledgeable about the industry and market. He believes in triple-digit silver, and his play on this is silver's dual usage as a precious and industrial metal, as opposed to gold being only primarily a precious metal. So as we go into a more digitized world, and with the more and more gadgets we use, automobiles like Tesla, silver is in every Tesla, if you didn't know. And with the more Zoom meetings that we have around the world, we will need more and more silver to power our new way of living as a human race. So with silver being at around $23, $24 an ounce, we're not going to produce enough to meet the human race. So the price is going to need to go much higher to make it economic enough to get the silver, which will allow First Majestic to get higher returns and higher profits on their future sales. And overall, I think this makes for a great buying opportunity. I really like the company and think it's really well run. And the last company is Fortuna Silver Mines. Now, they do have two current producing silver mines, one in Mexico and one in Peru. But what makes this company interesting to me is they're working on a strictly gold mine in Argentina that is high grade and low cost of production. So if the gold price stays at its current levels or even goes higher, this mine should be widely profitable, and commercial production is on pace to start Q1 or Q2 2021. So Fortuna seems like a phenomenal buying opportunity. So those are my favorite 3 cheap silver stocks. And remember, I'm just another guy on YouTube. Don't purchase stocks or make investment opportunities based off of what I say on this channel. Do your own research and due diligence. This is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, but if you did find this video helpful, go ahead and share, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.